In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use autofill. If you work in spreadsheets, autofill is a huge time saver. It helps you repeat values, extend patterns like dates or numbers, and quickly copy formulas, all with just a drag of the mouse. I'll walk you through how it works in tools like Excel and Google Sheets and share a few practical tips so you get clean, predictable results. Let's start with the basics. Type a value into a cell. This could be something like 1. Or a month like Jan. Click the cell so it's active, then look for the small square at the bottom right corner. That's the fill handle. Click and hold that handle and drag it down to fill rows or across to fill columns. Release when you reach the end of the range you want. If you start with a single number, many spreadsheets will repeat that same value down the range. If you start with a recognized label like Jan, you'll typically see the months continue in order. Keep an eye on the tiny tooltip that appears as you drag. It shows what will land in the last cell before you let go. Now, if you want a number sequence rather than repeated values, establish the pattern first. Type the first two numbers, such as 1 and 2, in adjacent cells to set the step. Select both cells together, then drag the same fill handle. Because you provided the first 2 points in the series, the spreadsheet can infer the increment and extend it for you. This works for simple counts like 1, 2, 3, as well as custom steps like 10, 15, 20, and so on. In Excel, T here is also flash fill, which is great for transforming data. Start typing the pattern you want in the next column. For example, typing a reformatted version of text from the left, and Excel will likely detect what you are doing and suggest filling the rest automatically. When your pattern is clear and consistent, flash fill saves a lot of manual work. Finally, let's talk about copying formulas. Enter your formula in the first cell. Then drag the fill handle to copy it down or across. Relative references will adjust automatically as they move. If you are in Google Sheets and autofill doesn't behave the way you expect, use a quick fallback. Copy the formula with Ctrl+C. Highlight the entire target range where you want it to go, and paste with Ctrl+V. This applies the same formula across the selected cells in one go. Practice these techniques a few times and you'll see how much faster your spreadsheet work becomes. Thanks for watching.